Welcome back. Continuing the news. Two teenagers are to face the court after a fight at a St. Andrew High School, which left both in hospital. The mother of one of the teenagers is upset at what she calls the slow pace of justice for her son, who could be handicapped by his wounds. TVJ's Kalisha Williams tells us more in this report.
Imagine sending your 14-year-old child to school and getting a phone call that he was admitted in hospital, wounds about 2 inches deep. Well, that's the story of this woman who wishes to remain unidentified. She told TVJ News that her son and a fellow student had an incident in the bathroom at his school on October 10.
Child go to Kingsway High School. He went to school in the morning, and during lunch period at the time, in 11 o'clock, he went to use the bathroom. There was this child in the bathroom, approached him in the bathroom, saying to him that he wants $50.
She says her son told her he thought the teenager had forgotten about him, but he didn't.
My son said he approached him again and said to him that he needed $50, and if I go around him, I go around bad man. So he pint up in my son's face, and my son said, watch him hand from out time face. He has this thing in his hand. My son said when he saw it in his hand, he thought it was a wipeout. You know, wipeout that he used to do, yeah. So he's doing it across his face. Actually, when after the incident, we realized it's a box cutter. So he used it to cut my son in his face. He never feel the cut at the time because obviously him garlic the blade. So he feels something warm running on his face when him look his blood.
Now it has been over 2 weeks, and she says justice is yet to be served. And even more alarming, she says her son may lose his hearing.
All of the mothers in Jamaica, me put in this too now. I'm going to go see the picture of my son. I'm going to see the cut. He get 100 stitches with both cut. The doctor says critical. The cut is so deep that it touched the bone of his face and 8 of his vessels, blood cells and all of these cut off. The blood not pumping to the brain properly, and he's going through a warm time. I don't see anybody to come and help with assist with no doctor bill, nothing.
TVJ News visited the school earlier this afternoon, but we were told that both the principal and vice principal had left the compound and no one else was available for a comment. We also reached out to the police and were told the alleged attacker was stabbed in the incident and treated at hospital. The police say both students were charged with unlawful wounding and are scheduled to appear before the court next month. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.